Welcome to English Speaking Edge, the place where your English transforms from basic to powerful. If you've ever struggled to find the right words at work, felt stuck in meetings, or wished you could sound more confident and professional, this video is exactly what you need. Today, we're going to explore 10 useful vocabulary words for work, along with their meanings and how to use them in real situations so you can start speaking more naturally and effectively. By the end of this video, you will be able to speak more professionally, express your ideas clearly, impress your boss, colleagues, and clients, and improve your English faster than ever. If you are serious about improving your English and growing in your career, then you are in the right place. Make sure to subscribe to English Speaking Edge. Like this video, share your thoughts or questions in the comments, and share this video with anyone who wants to level up their English. Let's get started. The first word is deadline. A deadline simply means a time limit or the final date by which something must be finished. It's a very common word in the workplace because almost every task or project has a deadline. You use this word when you're talking about completing work on time or when something must be submitted before a specific moment. It shows responsibility and good time management, which are very important in professional settings. For example, you can say, "I need to finish this report before the deadline," to show that you are aware of the time limit. Another example is, "The deadline for this project is Friday," which clearly tells others when the work must be completed. You might also say, "We are working hard to meet the deadline," meaning you are making an effort to finish on time. Using the word deadline correctly will help you sound more professional and confident when talking about your work. The second word is task. A task means a piece of work that you need to do. It can be something small and simple or part of a bigger project, but it always refers to a specific job or responsibility. You use this word when you are talking about work that has been assigned to you or something you need to complete. It is very common in everyday workplace conversations, especially when you are organizing your work or discussing responsibilities. For example, you can say, "I have several tasks to complete today," to show that you have multiple things to do. Another example is, "This task is very important," which highlights the importance of that piece of work. You can also say, "Can you help me with this task?" when you need support from a colleague. Using the word task correctly will help you sound more organized and professional when talking about your work. The third word is colleague. A colleague means a coworker, someone you work with in the same company or organization. It is a more professional and polite way to refer to the people you work with. You use this word in formal or professional situations, especially when speaking in meetings, emails, or workplace conversations. It sounds more respectful than simply saying coworker or work friend. For example, you can say, "I discussed this idea with my colleague," to show collaboration at work. Another example is, "My colleague will help you with this task," which introduces someone in a professional way. You might also say, "We have a meeting with our colleagues this afternoon," when talking about a group at work. Using the word colleague helps you sound more professional and respectful in workplace communication. The fourth word is promotion. A promotion means moving to a higher position at work, usually with more responsibility, a better title, and often a higher salary. You use this word when talking about career growth or progress in a company. It is common in conversations about achievements, performance, and future goals at work. For example, you can say, "She got a promotion last month," to show that someone moved to a higher position. Another example is, "I'm working hard to get a promotion," which expresses your goal to advance in your career. You might also say, "He was promoted to manager," to describe someone's new role. Using the word promotion correctly helps you talk more confidently about career development and success in the workplace. The fifth word is salary. A salary means the fixed amount of money you are paid regularly, usually every month, for the work you do. You use this word when talking about your pay, job offers, or financial discussions at work. It is commonly used in professional conversations, especially during interviews, negotiations, or when discussing benefits. For example, you can say, "My salary is paid at the end of each month," to explain how you receive your pay. Another example is, "They offered me a higher salary," which shows a better financial opportunity. You might also say, "I am happy with my salary," to express satisfaction with your earnings. Using the word salary correctly helps you speak more clearly and confidently when discussing money and work-related topics. The sixth word is meeting. A meeting is a work discussion where people come together to talk about ideas, plans, or problems. It can happen in person or online and is an important part of communication in the workplace. You use this word when talking about scheduled discussions with your team, manager, or clients. It is very common in daily work conversations, especially when planning or sharing information. For example, you can say, "I have a meeting at 10 a.m. to talk about your schedule." Another example is, "We discussed the project in the meeting," which shows that ideas were shared during that time. You might also say, "Let's schedule a meeting," when you want to arrange a discussion. Using the word meeting correctly helps you sound more natural and professional when talking about workplace communication. The seventh word is report. A report is a written document that gives information about a task, project, or situation. It is usually clear, structured, and often includes facts, results, or analysis. You use this word when talking about documents you prepare or submit at work. Reports are very common in professional settings, especially when you need to explain progress, share results, or provide updates. For example, you can say, "I need to finish the report by tomorrow," to show that you have to complete a document. Another example is, "She is writing a report on the project," which describes what someone is working on. You might also say, "The report shows good results," when talking about the information inside the document. Using the word report correctly helps you sound more professional and clear when discussing written work in your job. The eighth word is project. A project is a piece of planned work that is designed to achieve a specific goal. It usually takes time, involves several tasks, and may require teamwork. You use this word when talking about something you are working on over a period of time, especially in professional or business situations. It is commonly used when discussing goals, progress, and responsibilities. For example, you can say, "I'm working on a new project," to talk about something you are currently doing. Another example is, "This project will take 2 months to complete," which shows the time needed. You might also say, "Our team successfully finished the project," to describe completed work. Using the word project correctly helps you sound more professional when talking about long-term work and goals. The ninth word is responsibility. Responsibility means a duty or something that you are expected to do as part of your job. It shows that you are trusted to complete certain tasks or handle specific roles. You use this word when talking about your role at work or what you are in charge of. It is very important in professional communication because it shows ownership and accountability. For example, you can say, "It's my responsibility to manage this project," to show that you are in charge. Another example is, "She has a lot of responsibilities at work," which means she has many duties. You might also say, "This task is not my responsibility," when something is outside your role. Using the word responsibility correctly helps you sound more confident and professional when talking about your duties at work. The 10th word is feedback. Feedback means a response or evaluation about your work, performance, or ideas. It can be positive or negative, and it helps you understand what you are doing well and what you can improve. You use this word when talking about opinions or comments you receive from your manager, colleagues, or clients. It is very common in professional environments, especially when improving performance or reviewing work. For example, you can say, "I received positive feedback from my manager," to show that your work was appreciated. Another example is, "Can you give me feedback on this report?" when you want someone's opinion. You might also say, "Feedback helps me improve my work," to explain its importance. Using the word feedback correctly helps you sound more professional and open to improvement in the workplace.